Good morning, class 7th. Today I am going to explain you chapter 1, class 7th, chapter 1, and the chapter is Casbianca. Casbianca. And this is the poem. This is the first chapter, and this is the poem. I am going to explain. The poem Casbianca tells about a real incident that occurred in 1798 during a sea battle between Britain and France. This is the real incident, and that incident occurred in 1798. This is the sea battle between Britain and France. Young Casbianca was the son of the admiral of the French warship, and Casbianca is the son of a very important person of the a very important person on the warship. He remained at his post despite the fact that the ship had caught fire. He had received orders from his father not to abandon his post till he was told. And this story is set up in a burning deck. This is it is a ship, water ship, which is burning, and young Caspianka, the young boy who was sit there, but he can't move there from there because his father ordered him not to move without until I told you. The boy stood on the burning deck. When as all but he had fled, the flame that lit the battle's wreck shone around him over the dead. Casbianca has sit on a burning deck, and the deck is all over burning, but he can't move from there because his father ordered him, do not move until I order you, until I told you. So Caspianca did not move. At beautiful and bright he stood, as born to rule the storm, a creature of heroic blood, a proud though childlike form. And Caspianca is not moving from there because he was waiting for his father's order. And he was born to rule over the world. So he was very brave. The flames rolled on, he would not go without his father's word. And the flames are continuously rolled on, but he can't move because he was waiting for his father's word. That father felt in death below his voice no longer heard, and Caspianca is thinking maybe his father would be faint. That's why he is not saying something and he is not hearing his word. He called aloud, say father, if at my task is done. He knew that not the chieftain lay unconscious of his son. And Caspianca, he is waiting for his father's word and he is asking again, father, say something. If at my work is done, can I move from here? But he can't hear his father's word. And now Caspianca is going to unconscious because of the flame. Speak, father, once again he cried, if I may, it be gone. And but the becoming shots replied that fast flame rolled on. And Caspianca is waiting, but he can't move. And the flames are rolling on, and all the deck are burning. And fast rolls forward towards him, Caspianca. This is the half chapter which I explained you, and rest chapter will be continue for tomorrow. And stay at home, do not go anywhere, use mask, use sanitizer, and be safe.